TMR Roofing Canberra. We offer the best roof replacement services for both business as well as household buildings. Whatever size or sort of roof covering you need to be installed, our specialist roofers in Canberra will certainly consult you on the best choices as well as help you keep within your budget. When you require a new roofing system installed, give us a call. Roof replacement in Canberra. We deal with all roofing materials, from slate and roof shingles to steel and copper. We even install new BlueScope ColourBond roofs in Canberra. If you want your industrial or commercial roof to stand out, you may consider ColourBond roofing in Canberra. ColourBond roofs can last more than 100 years if well kept. You can trust our roofing contractors in Canberra for sincere advice as well as helpful recommendations.